I'm tired, guys. I'm really tired. I'm hot. As you guys can see, I just look. I don't look that cute. Like, I really don't. And it's super hot. Like, it is so hot, and I'm tired. My feet are swollen and whatever, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. Let's continue this journey and get to our destination.
AudioMicro.com. 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 AudioMicro.com.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You better be sure.
No. Why not the economic one? Yes, it is. You see, we're going on the right path.
Are we?
Yes.
We better.
Any point that I should look at them.
Guys, we should not. No. Guys. Yeah, my gang. I got outside like on you.
Recalculate.
Can I recalculate, baby girl?
But it's not a short road.
We're lost. Yes, we're wearing the same thing that we were wearing. We don't even judge our lives.
Finally, we learn it.
First, come on, let's
I
go.
tried.
The first, yes, let's go. Let's just
No, I
go.
said take the longest. No, I said don't take the fastest.
Economic, take economic.
So it's like the
Yeah,
longest.
economic and shortest, they are
What would
tied.
be fastest L3 48?
What after we need to turn back where we are.
Maybe
We need to make a U-turn and keep going on the gravel. I agree, that's what the map is
We
saying.
have to go back.
No.
This is not. This doesn't make any sense.
Follow C28 for 10 kilometers.
This is why I don't trust GPS sometimes.
You see, we're going back. We're going back to where we started. We're going back to where we started now.
How is it Nemesis' fault? What did Nemesis say? Hasn't Nemesis keep No, then you should have listened to Nemeta. Well, do not take the shortest because the shortest it is the shortest thing. But I'm not short. Go monate, guys.
Shutterstock Music. 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 Shutterstock Music.
Hi guys, we are finally here. As you can see, I'm in bed. You'll have seen the little house tour, room tour, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'm super tired and I just want to I'm low-key feeling super irritable right now. I don't know why, so I just want to take a break, take some time off, ignore the pimple that is on my forehead. I don't understand what's going on in my face. But anyway, yeah, we made it here. It's a nice resort. It's called Sandpiper Dunes. Yeah, and yeah, we're in Namibia. We're in Namibia finally. It's been a long journey. We're here at a resort, and this will be home for the week. I'm super tired. I'm super irritable. I'm low key in a bit of I'm in a very iffy mood, honestly. I don't wanna lie. So I just need to just regroup, just be by myself, just lay here, maybe sleep a little bit, and then I'll start to function better hopefully tomorrow. So yeah. But yeah, I'm not ending the vlog here, don't worry. My parents just went out to go and buy food because it's a self-catering type spot. So they went to buy some groceries, a few things, just just for us to have over during this week. And yeah, that's pretty much the update for now. But yeah, like I said, I'm tired and I just want to be. But I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs so far, and I'm excited for this trip. I really am. Fun times. It doesn't look like it on my face, but I'm excited. We're spying on people. We're spying on people.
I like the view.
We about ooh.
Lord.
Look kids. I live on a baby, but I can live on it. Think I'm that age, mate.
Yes, you are.
We about to spill the tea today.
like so pretty even though I'm wearing the same dress.
Aren't we all? We're hungry. Send help.
And you've been waiting for people to come and quit for the longest time ever.
Anything, we'll take anything.
We're hungry. We're just really hungry. Ew! Now I can't drink my tea from this side.
We're drinking black coffee, black tea. Either one is cute. No.
Thank you.
Let's speak to Mumsie.
That's
Tell me I like that. Tell her for.
Check this out. Home come to Mumsie. Oh, we
Aye. Just give up, babes.
Nyawile. Ikhaba.
Yeah.
what are we saying?
Check this out.
Oh,
Check this.
Yeah, dip it.
hi, check this.
Grab. How check this?
How check this?
Why?
Check.